Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, of course, you know me as the van guy. I got more vans today for you. We're going to look at a Coachmen Galleria and 24 FL. And they're in the back. What's FL stand for? Correct, front lounge. See, they're paying attention. Come on in, we'll take a peek on the Mercedes 1-ton chassis. Before we go in, this is outdoor commercial vinyl. It's very resilient, it'll last a long time. You've got a nice grab handle to help you enter. You would not want to grab your screen door. It's got a nice little storage area, so if you're outside doing stuff, you can reach right in here and access it. Let's keep it normal, we'll go in the back. We'll work our way up forward. Coachmen vans have got a perfectly flat bed in the back. It's one of the few vans where everything's flat. Of course, we're going to take the seat belts out and push them down below. Back here in the corner, well, let me run it up for you real quick. I do have headrests in here too for when you want to sit in it. So, I want you to take a look under here. You got a little hole right here. And that little hole is so you can put a CPAP up there, run your cord down to plug it in for electricity, and have your air hose come down. That way your CPAP's up out of the way. There's less likely you're going to damage it, and it's very convenient. It's a small thing that Coachmen's done. I have a CPAP, and I tried to make sure that they all have that ability. You've got your controls here in the back. So if you're back in the rear area sitting down or going to bed, you've got all your light controls in here as well. We got USB ports, 12 volt outlets, 110 outlets on this bulkhead. You've got your heater system back in here. Circuit breakers and fuses are behind this panel. Propane detector. And then it's got great storage in here. All the way across, your DVD players tucked in here out of the way. They're all soft close, which is very nice. There's your headrests and the owner's information's in here. But you might think it's a small little van, but when you take a look at all the storage this unit has in here, it's quite surprising. Craftsmanship is very good, all solid woods. Positive latches on your drawers. Got a little light underneath here to help you check your silverware out. Now they self-close, but there's a positive latch when you travel. That's what that's for. Induction cooking, surrounded by a solid surface countertop, recessed sink, which makes it cleaning very easy. The pink stuff, it's been winterized. Nice tall faucet. Yeah, I've got room for a garbage can. Get silly, we have enough for two if you wanted. Little place for your scrub brushes. And plenty of drawers. Very nice feature. 110 outlets right here on the end. Now this model, the FL, is different than the 24A, where they've moved everything back for a little workstation. But by getting this floor plan, you've got a convection microwave here. And take a look at this. Plenty of closet space, shelf space. It already has a hanger up here, so you could take these out and double your wardrobe area. And then it's got a drawer down below here that pops out. Bathroom is very spacious. Now one thing about their bathrooms, you've got one seam in here to worry about making sure that that's done. So the point is, your maintenance is far less with a unit like this than you have on a lot of them. See, there's no seams up in here. It's seamless. You got a soap dispenser, body wash, shampoo, etc. It's all right here. So right here, you've got a water miser. And what this does is, when you have it turned on, you can run the water until it gets warm, and then this lights up, and then you can turn it on and it actually starts going out, because it's recycled until that point comes. So it's a great conservation of water when you're dry camping. Got a spot here for to keep your RV toilet paper drier. Got a towel rack, and the frosted glass helps bring light in, but remains give you some privacy. And got a mirror here. You want to freshen up, and that is your shower nozzle, which hooks up there. It's got a curtain that pulls across to help try to keep everything out of the way off your doors. So right here is your control panel. You got your solar charger, your Truma system, your Xantrex, and this is your power disconnect switch, which turns all the power off of your battery. So this is offered in a lithium unit upgrade as well. This one is not. 6-cylinder, power windows and locks, tilt telescoping steering wheel. But one nice thing is, if you take a look at this backup camera, the screen up here, just take a look at how big that is. That's a huge screen, very nice. Also with that, you can leave that on so you can have a rear view mirror just like you were looking out your rear view mirror. So you can leave it on all the time. Or you could set it so when you put it in reverse, it turns off. When you put it out of reverse, and then it shuts back off. So it's a nice feature for those that want to keep track of what's going on behind you. Let's hit the battery. Oh, refrigerator. So you have your freezer on the bottom, and then where you get in to your refrigerator, it's up on top, easy to get to. Controls are easy to see. Got a little drip up above, and positive latch. It's a compressor, so it doesn't have propane. It's 110 and 12 volts. It's very efficient, and being it's a compressor, you don't have to worry about it being as level as you would the non-type. Those you have to really make sure you're really level for it to operate correctly. Let me hit the disconnect. We'll pop outside and we'll go to town. We'll slide this closed. So you've got a nice big 12-foot power awning, wind sensor. So if you have it out, whether it's parked next to this one next door for a few feet, or you're outside where it goes out 8 feet, it's self-supporting, and if a wind comes along and bumps it up and down, it automatically retracts, which can help save you from having it fly over the top. Alcoa wheels. This is the intake and exhaust for your Truma system. 110 outlets here. We'll move to the back of the vehicle. Backup camera is right up here. Hitch is already installed. The wiring, it's 5,000 pounds towing capacity. So this has 2 screens in the back. It's got your bug screen in here, and then it's got your privacy screen for at night. Here's your main storage area here. This is the outdoor shower. Your electrical cord and the mats that go in when it's sold and it goes over to delivery. We don't put them out until then. As you can see, we have plenty of seat belts. We have 2 shoulder restraints for 2 right in the back. It can carry up to 3. And they could sit in back and watch a nice video presentation. Moving down the driver's side, 110 hookups here. Nice frameless looking windows. These crank out for ventilation to use with your fantastic fan. And then right down here is all your hookups except for your power cord. Your macerator's kept right in here. Outdoor shower is here. Behind the driver's door is the little door. The little door keeps your fuel supply, safe from somebody tampering with it or trying to remove it. Mercedes-Benz, your seats adjust up this way. They manually crank back and forth. This knob lowers this up and down, and this makes it telescope or tilt. Whoop, gotta close it first. I know you have a lot of questions, so who would you call? Just remember the van guide. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. I look forward to your call, and I appreciate your time. Have a good day.